Hey, I love the opportunity to connect with people in person right here at Strategic Remodel. Connecting online can be tough. It's impersonal and it's hard to tell what people think of your message, and also you run the risk of looking just plain ridiculous. Hey everybody! What am I doing? Like, see what I mean? Is it okay to look down and make sure I'm getting on my X? I think that's what I'm doing. Lucky for you, I got Strategic sanitizer. You need one? I don't think it's getting any better, dude. I feel like we're deteriorating. See what I mean? So let's make a real connection instead. We can talk about the latest design trends, the best materials, and most importantly, how to bring your vision to life. So swing by the showroom at 711 North Mount Carmel. I'll see you real soon. Roll the clip.